On May 22nd, multiple regions across southern China were hit by intense rainfall, with the city of Wuhan experiencing a rare and severe torrential downpour. The local meteorological department issued its first-ever emergency rainstorm disaster alert, as the central urban areas suffered from serious water accumulation.
车上还有人吗？可有谁着的了？车上还有人吗？
From the early morning until the afternoon, heavy to torrential rain fell continuously across Wuhan. According to the local authorities, the rainfall in the Hankou, Hanyang, and Wuchang districts all exceeded 100 millimeters. The Hongshan district, specifically at the University of Technology station, recorded a total of 189 millimeters, while the Yijiadan station in Qiaokou district reported a peak hourly rainfall of 67 millimeters. In the afternoon, the Wuhan Meteorological Observatory issued a red alert for rainstorms, forecasting continued heavy rainfall in the central urban area. This extreme weather event tested not only the city's flood control and drainage systems, but also the efficiency and coordination of its emergency response mechanisms. The heavy rains severely disrupted daily life for residents. Wuhan University's Luojia Gate, being in a low-lying area, became one of the worst-hit locations. Videos circulating on social media showed the flooding submerging cars near the gate, with pedestrians wading through water that reached chest height. The university quickly redirected students to use other entrances such as the Chagang Gate or the West Gate.
这接不了啊，这个小孩儿，这都是接小孩的家长，幼儿园的，这水都把这个车子都淹的。今天这个雨下得太严重了，这保险公司这估计要赔。
In addition to the university area, many key roads throughout Wuhan experienced varying degrees of water accumulation. Major transportation hubs were affected. The elevated exit level of Wuchang railway station was briefly flooded, hindering passenger movement. Main thoroughfares and underpasses in Hanyang and Wuchang, including places like Shehu Interchange, Hongshan Square, and Bailu Street, also reported flooding.
咋接孩子呀？接不了孩子了，淹了。
The Wuhan Meteorological Observatory continued to issue both red alerts for rainstorms and blue alerts for strong winds, warning that the areas hit by heavy rain could also experience thunderstorms and gusts. Meanwhile, in Fuyang, Anhui Province, the situation was equally alarming. A historic rainstorm occurred, described by meteorologists as a once-in-more-than-50-years event. The maximum recorded rainfall reached an astonishing 242 millimeters. The extreme weather triggered severe urban flooding, and reports emerged of schoolchildren struggling to walk in the wind and rain, with some falling on their way home. In certain areas, buses were seen stuck in deep puddles, with floodwaters submerging their wheels and halting operations. The deluge caused widespread and sudden power outages throughout Fuyang. In response, power supply teams worked through the night, braving the rain to restore electricity to affected households and businesses. At the same time, local traffic police implemented temporary road closures and traffic control measures in severely waterlogged zones to prevent accident. Municipal departments mobilized rescue teams and drainage personnel to respond to emergencies, search for stranded individuals, and clear flooded road. These emergency operations continued well into the night. According to forecasts from China Weather Network, the heavy rain in the southern region will persist until Sunday, affecting provinces such as Anhui, Jiangxi, Zhejiang, and Fujian.